we will learn what is 8 into 8 LED matrix.
Yes.
So the very first, like from the name, it's written 8 into 8 means it has a total 8 row, 8 column. If you count the LEDs and count it, it's total 8 in the row, 8 in the column.
Yes.
So if you multiply 8 with the 8, the answer is 8 into 8 is
64.
yeah. So now start making the code. The very first you have to add the library. So which syntax you have to write? Hash include same in the global declaration. So in this fifth number of line, you create a one variable. What is the name of the variable?
So LED control in sir, IC is equal to LED control.
Yeah, LED control IC. It is a one variable where we will store our all the pins. Okay. Now go to the void setup. First you will off your LED matrix. The meaning of this line is going into the shutdown, but it's actual not shutdown. It's coming in the power saving mode.